When the leaves of 薯, the formal way of saying 土豆, potato, turn brown, I dug out 4 薯 from the 土, like a pile of soil, so it means soil or earth, until the sun set. The sun, 日, also means day, so it's separate in the evening and morning. Let's write 薯 before I make food with the 薯. First the grass radical, then the bottom side is also another word, 薯. Now I'm cooking 薯片, 薯 chips, and 薯条, literally 薯 stick, so 薯条 is French fries. I also dug up some 红薯, literally red 薯, so 红薯 is sweet 薯. They're also called 番薯, the foreign 薯.